Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi K30S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. One of this is the show grid lines button here, the second from the right. By just one tap we can turn on the camera grid lines and another tap to turn them off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that this is turned on now, and also these lines appear here in the camera preview. So this is how they look like. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them. So these lines are only to help us taking better pictures, and of course when we don't need this we can easily tap on this button here again in the right corner and use this one to turn them off. So for now they have gone in the preview. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.